Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, I'm super happy to show you the Pixoo. Pixoo, it's a LED multifunctional smart panel. So if you like art, pixel art designs, in today's video, we'll check it and we'll see if actually it's very good. We'll see if this cool guy is good. Disclaimer, Divoom sent me this device for review. So as always, in the end, I'm going to give you my honest opinion. This is going to be unbiased review. So that being said, let's jump to the video and let's see what comes in the box. As you can see, the box is pretty straightforward, and actually I do like the package that comes with it, pretty smart. And when we open it, we are greeted with the Pixoo. The device comes with a user manual. I believe you should check that because there's a ton of features. Also, we have really nice cool stickers. Last but not least, we have the cable, which by the way, the cable is very good quality. I was surprised. And something very good, plus the cable is a type C. You need to download the smart app that comes with. It's called Divoom. It's available for iOS and Android. The device has two physical buttons. One of the buttons is on the top. If you press it, you can check the status of your battery. The other button is down. If you press it, you can cycle to the colors and you can change some of the themes. Also, the device has a place to put the cable, so you can use the device continuously in power if you like so. Behind the device, you'll see a place that you can mount the device to the wall directly, which again, this is a very good plus. Also, the device comes with a stand, so if you like to leave it on the desk, you can do that if you like so. The device has 16 by 16 programmable LED capable of 16 million colors display, 5 pixel art creation methods, online gallery and community as well, calibrated lights, faster sleep cycle, support social media notifications and massive daily functions, which again, this is a very good plus. Some of the specs are, so the device weighs about 530 grams, output power 3 watts. Also, the battery is 2500 milliamp hour, which again, this is a very good plus. The charging time for the battery is about 3 hours, which is not bad. Also, the device comes with Bluetooth 5.0. Okay, so let's check some of the cool features of the app. So let's open the app together. So to make sure the app is connected, here on the left, you have a plus. Click on the plus, and as you can see, Pixoo is connected. So let's see some of the cool features. There are plenty of features on this app. The app is very optimized and it's very good actually, in my opinion, which again, this is a plus for you. So on the top we have follow. You can follow people. Also we have recommended, new, season, emojis. As you can see how many, it's crazy, so many designs. And the app has a ton of features, so I'll show you some of the features now. Here we have expert. Here I believe the more professional designs. So as you can see, this is pretty good, and actually the designs are very nice, as you can see. And I love the display. The display is very vibrant, it's very nice and clear, and yeah, this is good. As you can see, the design is good. The designs are very nice made, so that's why this is the expert. So here we have a group as well. Here we have a more. So discover, we have all the functions here. We have a designs, animation, alarm, mixer. If you press the more, we have even more. So my favorite ones are this one here. So you can put a text. So for example, open. Again, this is good for business. If you have a business, you can display open hours, close, a layout. You can change the layout here, effects, color. This looks cool. So again, a ton of functions, mixer, music. Also we have a alarm, sleep, noise meter, So let's check it now. How loud is that? So as you can see, this is nice. Let's go back. The features up a lot. I mean, it's crazy how many features we can find here. Again, notifications. You can connect your Pixoo to your social media. You can receive notifications here. Again, a voice message. There's a ton of features that you can find here. So let's go back, and here we have even more. So we have visualizer here. This guy is very good, as you can see. Hey. Here we have even more. I mean, a ton of notifications. Not crazy. So many designs. So let's check some of the interesting designs here. So if you go to expert, you can check some of the interesting. So see, this is a Superman here. You can create your own design as well. So if you feel if you know how to do it, you can do it. I see the designs are nice, clear, and actually they look pretty dope. The display is very nice again. So level up 2001. This is one of my favorite design actually. So, and the community is very strong here. So there's a people from everywhere. So you can get a friends. You can be friends with people. You can create designs together. The app is the app is optimized pretty well, and this is a very good plus. So let me know what you think, guys. I mean, I like it. What is my verdict? What's my opinion? I mean, nothing bad actually. The only thing that I wish is to connect my subscriber count to my YouTube channel, but obviously I can't do that. But other than that, this is a great device for everything basically, for your business, for art. It's great. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. I just want to say thank you to Divoom for sending this device for a review. As always, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.